Hello everyone, it's wonderful to see you all again. Today, I will show you how to create an orthographic annotation style showing service, line number, and spool number in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, open the required project in Project Manager. Then, right-click on the project name and select Project Setup from Context menu to open the project setup. In the project setup, start by navigating to Plant 3D DWG settings, then Plant 3D class definitions, followed by piping and equipment, and finally select Pipe Run component. In the Ortho Annotation setup section located at the bottom right, choose an orthographic annotation style from the drop-down menu that resembles to the new one, such as the size and spec callout style to duplicate it and create a new one. Click Add Annotation button to create a new symbol and annotation style for the service, line number, and spool number. A symbol settings dialog box will pop up. Enter symbol name as service, line number, and spool number in the symbol properties section and leave the other settings as displayed in the video or adjust them according to your needs. Click OK. In the Ortho Annotation setup section located at the bottom right, click the Edit block button. You will see a small Assign Format button. If it's not visible, type the command Assign Annot Format in the command line and hit Enter. Select the annotation. In the Number of Subparts section, click the up arrow to raise the number of subparts to 3 or simply erase the number 2 and enter 3. In the Assign Annotation Format dialog box, click the Select Class Properties button, which is the first button on the left. Here, you can choose whether to check or uncheck the option to use the target object's property. Select the class P3D line group. In the Property section on the right, locate the property Service and select it. Click OK. Once more, press the Select Class Properties button in the second row of the field. Here, you can choose whether to check or uncheck the option to use the target object's property. Navigate to the class Piping and Equipment and then Pipe Run component. In the Property section on the right, locate the property Line Number tag and select it. Click OK. Once more, press the Select Class Properties button in the third row of the field. Here, you can choose whether to check or uncheck the option to use the target object's property. Navigate to the class Piping and Equipment and then Pipe Run component. In the Property section on the right, locate the property Spool Number and select it. Click OK. Then, click OK again to save your settings in the Assign Annotation Format dialog box. Click the Save Block button to apply the changes to the block. Next, click the Close Block Editor button. Click OK to save your changes and exit the project setup. Now, switch to the Orthographic DWG tab. Create a new orthographic drawing or open the existing one you need. Double-click in the layout to access the model space. Select the pipe, right-click on it, go to Ortho Annotate and choose the new annotation, Service, Line Number, and Spool Number, then place it at the center of the pipe. Ensure that the spool number is set for the pipelines manually. Repeat these steps for all pipes as needed. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.